welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Leslie. I do planner related videos and sometimes I blog. So today I have the long-awaited 2025 planner unboxing, and before I get started, I'm gonna go ahead and say full disclosure, I already opened these planners up. I filmed the video before and the SIM card got corrupted. I lost all my footage and I had to refilm everything, but maybe it was for the best because I have better lighting now. So let's just go ahead and get started. As you can tell, this year next year I'm gonna use sterling ink for all my planners, I think. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this little card that comes with everything. So here's a little card, and they have like a little QR code to scan, and here is a little sampler sheet. Very pretty and very retro's not the word. It's not coming right now. Oh, very vintage. There you go, very vintage. Super cute. All right, so let's jump and let's just open up the first planner. And this was a last minute thing for me, which is why I chose the color Mist. It is a passport size planner. Let me first show you the beautiful card that comes with the planner, and it has 2025 in the back. Everyone is saying that they're going to use this as a pencil board, which is actually a great idea. Usually you have to buy the pencil board, so I'm actually very grateful that it comes with the order. And here's a cute little planner just for reference. Here's my hand and here's the planner. It is such a cutie. So Mist is the color. I did not choose the gold on the edges. I'm gonna do a separate video where I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna use these planners for, but here it is in all its glory. These planners don't show the previous year or the year to come. It only shows the year that you're gonna be in. I'm sorry, my phone keeps sounding and I have no idea where it is, by the way. It is lost, but I keep hearing it. All right, so here's 2025 at a glance. And I really appreciate that I don't have 2024 and I don't have 2026, because what's the point? I never use that. I really don't care. I only want to use the year that I'm in. And we have some blank pages here in the front. Here we have the goals. So we have goals, someday, 1 year, half a year, quarterly, monthly, weekly, daily. And we also have a tracker, a yearly tracker, which I'm not sure if I'll use it because it is so tiny. And then we have like a quarterly type of planning. So we have all the quarters all the way to quarter 4. And then we have the monthly. It does start on December of this year, which I am very happy about because I usually start my new planners on December because I start getting the itch of having a new planner. And it goes all the way to January of 2026, which by then I'll have a new planner, most likely. I love having the space down here to write things, and we're moving to the weekly, and this is the layout that I chose. I did choose a horizontal layout because it is such a small planner. I didn't think having a vertical layout would be beneficial, but this is very nice. Tons of space for a small planner, by the way. And then in the back we have some pages, some extra pages, and they are numbered on the bottom, as you can tell. Hope this thing is focusing. There you go. And it goes all the way to, let me tell you how many pages, 119 pages that you can use for notes and things. I mean, if you want one of these, you can carry on the go, but it's such a little cutie. Very pretty, very, very pretty. All right, so my next planner is this one. This is called an N2. I did get it a full year compact. I believe the compact size was thinner because it had less pages in the back. This is sized like the Hobonichi Weeks, and I am in love, by the way. This color, I'm not sure if the lighting is picking it up, but it's called Fairy Floss, and it's a very light pinky color. Super cute. I already broke into the spine, as you can tell here, because I've been like opening it up and all of that stuff. So you have the little engraving here on the spine, and it's just so pretty. And here's a card that came with a planner. I love it. It's so me. All right, so let's open this one up. I did get it with the gold on the edges, and I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. I hope, y'all, I hope everything is good with the camera here, because it's been a struggle. Okay, so here we have just like the small planner, you know, just a little info from the planner, and we have 2025 at a glance. Okay, there you go. We have 2 blank pages that I cannot wait to like come up with something decorated. I don't know. And we have the goal breakdown section, just like the small planner. Sorry if I'm cutting off the bottom. I'm trying to get the best, like the best of the best quality that I possibly can for this video. Okay, and then we have a yearly tracker, which I really like. I love having a yearly tracker, by the way. Love that. Then we have the quarterly tracker or planning. I don't know. I have to get some ideas from other fellow planner gals and see what they do here, because I want to know what to do. Like, do I track something specific that I want to track for a specific month? Like, what do I do? So let's see. So we have all the way to Q4, and then we move in to the monthly. As you can tell, you just have to break the spine a little bit in the planner so it can lay flat. But after you do it, does lay flat. I just have to like do it. So it starts on December, which I cannot wait. And let's just say something. December is just around the corner. All right, and we have all the way again to January of 2026, which is insane, by the way, insane. And here is the weekly. As you can tell, it's kind of like the Hobonichi Weeks. The only thing is you don't have all the letters here, and you don't have any colors. It's very neutral, which I love. And what else? I'm trying to think what the Hobonichi Weeks has. I don't remember that much, but anyways, you have the day, and then, you know, the number of just the week one, and all the way to, I think it tells you what week you're in. Yeah, week 50. Like, it tells you, and I love it. I seriously love it. I love that I can customize it. And the Hobonichi Weeks was a planner that I really enjoyed this year, and it was my second time attempting to use it, and it was actually the first time I actually used it. So I'm excited for this planner, and it's so pretty. Oh, I love the color. So in back here we have some extra pages for notes and things, and we have a total of 119 pages, which I appreciate. They are numbered. They're numbered just like the small planner, and it's pretty much it for this one. That's it. So I love it. I am in love with the planners from her. This planner is so soft and so gorgeous. I wish they would have had every size in that color, because I would have gotten them all the same. But anyways, and this is gonna be like a big surprise, because you never would have guessed I would have chosen this color. But let's just open it up. So last but not least, this year I fell in love with the B6 size planner, because I love the Hobonichi cousin. However, it was way too big, so I started using a B6 planner, and I decided that for next year I'll be using a B6 sterling ink. I'm so excited. So here's the little card that it comes with. Very beautiful, by the way. If you really don't care about using a pencil board, you can frame this. You can totally frame it. That is so pretty. And I chose the, what was it, hunter green? Oh my gosh, forest green. That's the color that I chose. And y'all, it is stunning. It is stunning. I got the full year, and I also got the gold edges, because why not? If they have that option, I am definitely gonna get it because it's so pretty and so fancy and so soft. And I thought it was gonna be hard, and it's not like that at all. It's soft. All right, so in the beginning, you have, same as the other planners, you have this section here with the name of your planner. 2025 only. Thank you so much. You have 2 blank pages that you can write whatever you want, and then you have your goal breakdown. I feel like I'm gonna write more here, the goal breakdown, because it's much bigger. And I didn't mention, but the planners are in the Tomoe River paper if you're not familiar with them, okay? I like the Tomoe River paper because when you fill up your planners and you're like flipping the pages, you get like this crunchy noise. I saw one of the planner gals on Instagram. Her name is Julie Plants, and I love her videos. I'm actually getting the sterling ink because of her. And she was just filming her planner and flipping through the pages. Y'all, it's so satisfying. I love it. All right, so in here we have the yearly tracker. I really like this. And then we have the quarterly planning, which I love, honestly. I just want some ideas of what I can do on this section all the way to Q4. And then we have the monthly. We start on December. We have a section, and well, we have a section on the sidebar, and we always have like a little section on the bottom. And I'm gonna just show you a few more here. Let's see, I think this one has a little bit of an extra, yeah, this one has an extra space on the bottom. You see what I mean? All right, so that's all the way to January of 2026, which I can't even think of January 2026, y'all. I'm gonna have a soon to be like what, 8-year-old, no, 9-year-old and a 5-year-old. No, I can't, like I can't deal with that right now. I can't think of that right now. All right, so in here we have the weekly section, and y'all, I've been waiting for this. I am currently using a horizontal Aura Estelle that I love, don't get me wrong, but I am so not a horizontal girly when it comes to the bigger planners. I could use this horizontal because I'm already used to it. I already know what I'm gonna do with it, but for my main planner, and yes, this is going to be my main planner, I need this. It's time. I don't know if you can see it because it's light and small, but it is time from 6 a.m. to 12. Well, you have, this is 12 p.m., 12 a.m. So it has a lot. It has a lot. I never really like plan time, but since I'm gonna use mostly the pages in the back, I could do the time and be like, okay, so at this time, from this time to this time, I'm gonna work. But you guys are gonna see it. I'm definitely gonna be filming that. And oh, now I flipped through another page, but here you have a little section with the monthly at a glance, so you can just have an idea. It's the actual month. Yeah, it's the January month. So it's the month showing you the current week, if I'm making any sense. All right, so I mean, I have absolutely no complaints at all. I love it. I love this planner. I cannot wait to start just using it and buying all the things for it. I'm so excited. So in here we have a ton of pages in the back. Look at this. And it is a total of 367 pages. So they are not they're not dated. They only have a number in the bottom, so you can use it however your heart desires. I would, if you're gonna check them out on their website, this is the planner that I got. I know that there's one that's thinner and doesn't come with as many pages in the back, so watch out for that. So that is pretty much it. These are the planners that I got for 2025, and I'm gonna be a good girl, and these are gonna be the only ones that I'm gonna buy. Planner bestie probably saying, yeah, right. So those are the planners that I got. Y'all, I have to say something before I end the video. if you made it this far. I wanted to give a shout out to the owner of the shop. I don't know her name. I'll probably put it here, but my planners took forever and a day to arrive because I'm in Florida and we had Hurricane Helene, then we had Milton, and it just took so long. I thought I wasn't gonna get my planners, and the customer service that she gave me was outstanding. I loved it. So thank you so much. At the end they arrived, so all is well. I'm really happy about that. So I just wanted to say, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video, and comment down below. Tell me what planners are you getting, or what planners did you get for 2025. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.